missing someone. I literally look like a zombie. It's too early in the morning for this. The sun isn't even out. Okay. Let's go to Florida. So like 11 to 12 hours later, we are officially here in our Airbnb. What?
Can I be in a video? Heyo.
Had to make a quick stop at Walmart. I got it, yes sir. I look so oily right now, but it's okay. Made my quick little stop at Walmart and got the little strapless bra that I needed to buy. And then we also got some food to eat at the house. Someone is mowing their lawn, but we just got back to the Airbnb and I'm sitting outside because it's quite cold in there. And nobody wants to turn on the heat, so yeah, I'm sitting outside. Y'all look at the pool. The pool is a little too green for us to be inside. So we gotta wait until they clean the pool.
Wanna go with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive and miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you were true. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? You can have this place on earth.
Y'all, it's hot. Alright, it's time to take a shower. Good morning, everyone. How's everybody's day? Just because I think I look cute. So, hat is from Roses, shirt is from Roses, shorts are from Fashion Nova, and shoes are from Nike. Don't mind my ashiness. We'll get to that later. All right, not everybody takes walk-ups. Good morning, everyone. How is everybody's morning? So I'm eating oatmeal right now. I'm eating cinnamon spice oatmeal this morning. So today's plan is to go to the boardwalk. No, outlets. We're going to the outlets today. We're going to the outlets today and then possibly the boardwalk later on tomorrow or tonight. I kind of wish I had some apples and cinnamon to put in my oatmeal, or bananas and cinnamon. Got to the outlet that we were going to Orlando. We actually drove from Vero Beach to here to Orlando to come to the outlet. So now we're gonna go shopping. Y'all cannot see me, but we already got hot already. We've only been walking for like 10 minutes, but it's okay. So my sisters got Annie's, and I'm just kind of sitting here with them and waiting on them. But I mean, it's a pretty big outlet. It's just I just want to go to Pandora store or like Route 21, Forever 21.
Forever 21's on outside.
Like anything with clothing, because I mean I know I'm gonna want some clothes. Yeah.
Everything, so we just walked in a different.
I was trying to find
They have majority because they have the Comic Con right there. Michael Kors.
Not that we officially know where we're going. We're gonna go ahead and go into the Gucci store, but I'm not entirely sure if they want me to record in there, so I'm probably not gonna record in there. We got lost, you guys, so now we gotta find our way back. Came to Claire's, just looking at a couple of things in Claire's, but I'm probably not going to record in here because I don't want to get copyrighted for the music. So we're headed off to the UGG store. We didn't really find very much here in this part of the outlet, so we're going to go ahead and go to the UGG store, and if we don't find anything there, we're just going to sit in the van for about a good 45 minutes because our parents talking about they just got started. I don't step into no dog poop, just like Bree just said. Something about some daggone dog poop.
Yeah, right there too. Look at God.
I'm gonna go ahead and head into Forever 21. And I think they want us to wear a mask. It's cute. I like this. I'm trying to find gold jewelry to wear with my It's cute too. I like this. I don't know if this is gonna break my ear out though. Because this one is a cubic something, which means this isn't gonna break out.
This is anything with nickel on it? I thought y'all don't like y'all think you nickel and stuff.
No, Ty can't wear nickel because this is a girl.
Oh yeah, check and see if they don't have nickel. I'll go like a Is there anything else you like? Oh my God.
So we got everything that we wanted for today, and now we're trying to figure out how to get into the van because folks don't know how to park. I'm back in the van, you guys. We got what we really wanted, but there wasn't really many places that we really truly wanted to go to other than Pandora, and Pandora wasn't here, so now I'm going to give you guys a little haul of what I got. I got my backpack for school. Not my hair getting tangled. I got my backpack for school, and I'm not going to show you much because I'm going to have a whole college haul, whatever you want to call it, coming out in like the second week of August. Then we went to Claire's and I ended up getting 6 different types of scrunchies. Oh wait, those aren't mine. Okay, these are mine. So I ended up getting 6 scrunchies for $6. Y'all should be proud of me because I mean, I spent my money quite a lot. So I got lavender, I got pink, this light pink, I got white. Let's see. Yep, I got white, I got light blue, and then I got gray, and then I got a dark blue for my sister because she didn't want to pay $2 for scrunchies. And then I went to Forever 21 to get some jewelry because we're going on a dinner later on this week, and I wanted to wear gold jewelry, and I have a bunch of silver jewelry. So I went out and got rings, and I got these earrings. Now we're gonna sit in the van and wait for our parents because there's no telling how long they're gonna be in there. That one. I mean, that one doesn't. It's melted. Anyways, I found myself a snack because I'm kind of hungry. But I was going to say something while I was standing out there, but there were too many bodies out there. So I wanted to say that I'm glad there's like a huge Hispanic culture out there because a lot of the signs were in Spanish. And if you know me, you know that I'm trying to learn how to speak Spanish or be fluent in Spanish. So I like that. We're in Starbucks, you guys. So we're in Starbucks for my sisters, but I ended up getting a water for me. And water. No, I like the cup that it comes in. It's cute. I like it. It makes me think that I'm a Starbucks person. Look, they got a machine for lashes. Oh, they're cute too. So that same ring that I ended up buying for Forever 21, that one right there. Oh, yeah, right here. That one right there ended up getting stuck on my finger. So enjoyed that video of me trying to get the ring off my finger. I didn't record the whole entire thing though. I recorded most of it though, but this is what my finger looks like now. This is about 30 minutes after taking the ring off. So now I'm gonna go home and ice my finger.
Come on.
Okay.
And put water on there. Put a little bit of water.
Wait.
That's what I said, put water.
Girl.
That's enough. Twist it.
I know.
I know, I'm sorry. I know.
Oh,
I'm
this
sorry.
hurts. Okay, hold on. Hold on. No, hold on. Wait, this hurts. Hold
can't
on.
keep it right there.
I know. Hold on. It hurts. Wait. Okay. Okay, hold on. We're gonna have to figure out how to cut this off.
There's no way, we're gonna have to take it off. There's no other way we can do that. Or your fingers gonna turn.
Okay, this is what my finger looks like. Bleeding right there, but I mean,
So that's us a little bit.
it hurts and it's a little swollen, but other than that, I'm pretty good. Do what? Do it first.
Hey guys, we are back home.
Hey guys, we're back home and our pool is clean. Our pool is clean, you guys. The only reason why it's green because of that light. We just got home, so now we're gonna officially go to the pool. So my bathing suit is from Walmart, my shorts are from Rue 21, and then my towel is from Ollie's.
Over there.
So today was a pretty chill day, honestly. This is the first time I'm actually getting up today. Today it's currently like 5:30 in the afternoon, and we're currently in the grocery store because I needed some snacks, and we're gonna cook lasagna tonight. So my dad had to get a couple of things. So we're in a store called Winn-Dixie, which was an old store that my dad used to go to. So I don't know how well you guys can see me, but it is currently almost 9 o'clock at night, and like I said earlier, we had a pretty chill day. Like, we really didn't do anything today. We kind of just laid around. We had some family to come over, but other than that, we laid around for most of the time. So now we're about to go ahead and get back into the pool today. I'm actually waiting for my food to digest because I just had some lasagna and some salad, so wait for that to digest. And guys, look at the pool. Beautiful. Ready?
Alright, I'm gonna go back and do the. Okay, I'm ready.
Free! No!
You thought about just get that?
Yes, that's the point.
That's all.
Good morning, everyone. So, how's everybody's day? How's everybody's morning? I'm currently trying to figure out how to fix this without my curlers, because as you can see, my curls are coming out. So I'm trying to figure out a way to fix it. But today's plan is to go to the beach and go out for dinner. Yeah, what's up? Huh? Come on in.
Okay, so I'm gonna wear this then. Hey y'all, how y'all doing?
But I was so sad. I'm like, oh. And even though I wore this dress yesterday, my mother got this dress from Old Navy's. It's cute. I like it.
You know, look at me. You talk.
Like, what is going on here? Oh, it works. Never mind. I was supposed to go like that. With water.
So the refresher?
Yes.
Alright. You strawberries in yours?
Yes. Can I do strawberries in mine?
Yeah, I got with strawberries.
Okay.
And then what size?
The largest size you have.
Trenta?
Yeah, that's fine. That's it. Okay. That's all.
It's gonna be 5:30. Can I get a name?
Green. Got my Starbucks. It gotta be the same color as the toppings, but you know, I'm putting it on anyway. I love how the water changes colors. I feel like it's gonna get me. It got a little toasty, so we're sitting in this little blue thingy that our dad bought us. So, shirt is from Fashion Nova, shorts are from Route 21, and then scrunchie is from Claire's. I finished taking a shower and eating. I ended up having some leftover lasagna, so I'm currently in my room just kind of chilling out until we leave for dinner or start getting ready for dinner. So either I'm gonna go ahead and start editing this vlog or I'm gonna take a nap. Changing plans. We are still gonna go to the dinner. It is still raining, very, very much so, but we're still gonna go because that's what we plan to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and put on my jewelry because I already took a shower and I already washed my face. I don't think I'm wearing any makeup because it's raining. I don't want anything to fall off my face. So this is about as dressed up as you are going to get me today, because usually I can dress up a little bit better than this, but of course dresses from Fashion Nova, earrings are for Forever 21, and then my shoes and slash sandals, I don't know where those are from, but it's cute. I like the dress. How's everybody's day? How's everybody's morning, night, afternoon, whatever you want to call it? Today's agenda is going to be us going to a safari. And I'm excited for it because I've never been on a safari or never went to a safari before. So I want to show you guys my outfit and let's get started with the day. So of course we're back with the hat. Shirt is from Fashion Nova, jeans are from Route 21, and then my shoes are Jordans, and I'll show you those like later on. But I'm bringing a different shirt just in case this doesn't work out, because as of right now, this keeps coming up, and I don't like that. We're gonna have a mukbang, a mini mukbang, with some watermelon and some apple juice. I should probably get this. I'm gonna go get some paper towels. And I'm back. So as you can see, I ended up changing my outfit less than like 15 seconds later. So Route 21, this shirt's from Route 21, and this might be disgusting, but shoes are from Nike. Okay. I wouldn't know what to talk about in a mukbang. I just know how to eat. This watermelon's good. We made it to the Lion Park King whatever thing. I had to go to the bathroom, and so I just kind of forgot about my camera. But yep, we're here. Now we're just getting some payments together. finished our safari, so now we're gonna go ahead and start walking around. We're on a carousel, you guys. So I'm currently in a maze right now trying to figure out how to get out because I'm actually competing with my stepmom to see who can get out the fastest. So we'll see how this goes. On the bright side, it's like very beautiful, so I don't mind being in this maze. But I gotta figure out how to get out. Oh no, there's stuff flying everywhere. Hold on, give me a moment. Everyone, so today is officially our last day here. We're actually getting ready to go ahead and leave. Look at our beds, y'all. Look at our room. This is the first time you guys are seeing my room. It was nice. We have to be out of here by 10 o'clock, so we're gonna go ahead and finish getting dressed and ready, and I'll see you guys later. So this is what our room looks like. Two sisters slept on that bed, and I slept on this bed right here. Hi, sissy. Then this is the hallway. This is our brother's room. There you go. Hi. And then this is the bathroom, my favorite place of the Airbnb. Nice, big, beautiful bathroom. We walk up in here, and this is the kitchen. That's a pretty nice kitchen. The dining area. Then we come to the living room area where the front door is. Say hi to my sister. And then, is it locked? Okay. The pool area. What a nice, beautiful area. We went to our favorite gas station and got a bunch of food. So I got like a little hoagie thing.
Yeah, this is good.
With eggs, American cheese, and some ham. No, not ham, turkey, because I don't eat pork. And then I got some orange juice, and then a hash brown, and some water.
And I got some sausage bites, and I done dropped my fork.
And I also got some pancakes.
And bacon. And some syrup. And of course I got me some other things. Okay, you good.
So while editing this vlog, I realized that I didn't film an outro for this vlog because I kept falling in and out of sleep on the way back to North Carolina. And so I wasn't able to film the goodbye Florida, welcome to Georgia, welcome to South Carolina type of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the things that I also forgot to show you guys in the vlog. So while at the beach, let's start from the beginning. So while at the outlets, I showed you guys a couple of things that I got from the outlets, but I also got this. My sister bought me like a little Minnie Mouse keychain thing, and I really love it. It's adorable. It's cute. I'm gonna put it on my bed. My girl, get your life together. Cannot speak. Anyways, I'm gonna put it on my book bag. Then at the beach, I got some seashells. These are the seashells. Try saying that 5 times fast. Yeah, they're cute. I got more, but I ended up losing them. So, you know, those are the two that I actually have. And then while at the safari, I got a little lion. And it's so cute. It's so adorable. I love her. I got to figure out what to name her. And to see if I have enough room in my dorm room to bring her. Because I have quite a lot of stuffed animals, if you guys didn't know. So, dropping stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I definitely enjoyed filming this vlog for you guys. In like 2 years, I'm gonna look back on this vlog and be like, yeah, I really did that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please comment down below, like, share, subscribe, do all the fancy things that you guys need to do. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.